Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
QuickBooks Desktop Pro has a multitude of different support features. Answers to almost any QuickBooks question can be found by using the QuickBooks Desktop Help feature, which lets you search for help topics by subject and display the information that is found. Let's review some of the various help features available within QuickBooks Desktop Pro 2021. First, the QuickBooks Desktop Help lets you search for topics within all the local and online help resources for additional assistance. You can access it by selecting Help, QuickBooks Desktop Help from the menu bar. The What's New feature allows upgrading users to quickly familiarize themselves with the new features in QuickBooks as they open windows within the program. To enable this, select Help, New Features, What's New from the menu bar. The New Business Checklist is a checklist that helps new businesses ensure that they have completed critical tasks needed to start a new business. To view this, select Help, New Business Checklist from the menu bar. Finally, the Year-End Guide is a checklist that lists the steps you should review at the end of your business year. You can access this by selecting Help, Year-End Guide from the menu bar.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.